In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet, whether it's a CSV or Excel file, into Trello. This is a handy skill for those who love organizing their tasks or projects on Trello, but have data stored elsewhere. So, let's dive in and make planning a whole lot easier. First, let's head over to Trello. You can do this by entering the website URL into your browser and hitting Enter. Once there, you'll notice several options for logging in. Choose the method that suits you best, whether it's through an email address, a Google account, or any other method available to you. It's important to choose a method you'll remember for future logins, as this will be your gateway to accessing all your organized boards. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the board where you'd like to import your spreadsheet data. If you haven't created a board yet, don't worry. It's a simple process to set one up. Just look for the option to create a new board, name it appropriately according to the project or category you're organizing, and then you'll be ready to proceed. Next, we need to enable a feature within Trello known as Power-Ups. Power-Ups effectively allow you to add various functionalities to your Trello boards. To find them, look for the Power-Ups button, which is usually located at the top of your board interface. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a plethora of options to enhance your Trello experience. For our purpose, we'll be focusing on a particular one, the Trello Import by Blue Cat Power-Up. Now it's time to add the Trello Import Power-Up to your board. Simply find it in the list and hit the Add button. This Power-Up is specifically designed to facilitate the importation of data from spreadsheets into Trello, making the process seamless and efficient. Once it's added to your board, you're ready to proceed. With the Power-Up in place, open the CSV or Excel file that contains the data you'd like to import. It's important to ensure that your data is organized in a way that makes sense, as you'll be mapping these fields to their corresponding parts in Trello. This might mean ensuring that your list names and item details are clearly defined within your spreadsheet. Then, map each of the data fields from your spreadsheet to the appropriate Trello fields. This step is crucial as it determines how your data will be structured in Trello. Look carefully at each heading in your spreadsheet and decide where it best fits on your Trello board. Finally, once everything is mapped correctly, click the Import button. This will initiate the process, and shortly you should see your spreadsheet data beautifully laid out in Trello, integrated, and ready for you to start managing effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a spreadsheet into Trello, allowing you to harness the power of your data alongside the organizational capabilities of Trello. Feel free to play around with the newly imported data, add tasks, assign members, and tweak it to best suit your project's needs.